That is correctamundo, ladies and gentlemen. We're back in Los Angeles, California, and of course we got this massive box that just randomly appeared yesterday night. Just got back from the UK and Monaco. You guys better be liking that content from overseas, baby. But dude, don't worry, because I hear you guys. You guys want more Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, and local content. We got you, son. We're back at the homeland. And of course, we're gonna talk about what's going on my tabletop here because it's a mess. Just picked up 4 model cars from Japan in this massive box. But that being said, you're also wondering, effspot, you're a disgusting slob. Why don't you clean up your living room and your kitchen? Look at this mess that you made on your secondary tabletop over here. And let me tell you guys, shut your flappy little mouth and listen up. None of this is gonna get cleaned up anytime soon until I find a proper display case. But that being said, we got quite a few things we need to discuss right over here, and that's gonna start with this brand new 118 MR limited edition model car right over here. Do not try this at home, leave it to the professionals. Here we go, one hand, one take wonder. As such, lifting the cover ever so slightly. Boom, look at that. Do you guys, oh my goodness, do you smell that? It smells like, oh, a brand new resin model 118 by MR, super exclusive 1 of 15 FXXK Evo in baby blue. Look at that. Woo! Number 12 out of 15, baby. Look at that. No stickers, no racing decals on this. Super clean. Soak it in. Let me get a close-up of that. As such, you're probably thinking to yourself, stop showing us these silly little toy cars. Go buy a real supercar. Hey, don't worry about that. We're working on it. I'm working on it. Stay tuned. But dude, our last trip to the UK, Goa Festival of Speed, and of course Monaco was not a cheap one. I'm telling you guys, these things do cost a lot of money. So many thanks to today's sponsor, Coinmaster, for hooking it up. Let's roll it, baby. So I recently discovered this mobile game where you own your own village. It's extremely addicting and fun. It's called Coinmaster, and it's a social game where you can attack and raid other villages while building and upgrading your own. You can play with their friends, give them gifts, attack their villages, or raid their coins. Part is, the game is completely free. You can collect and trade cards to get more prizes and has pets that can boost your skills as well. You get a huge head start on your friends since there's a tournament happening right now where you win crazy rewards. If you want to keep supporting the effspot channel for the exclusive content that you see here, support my channel by clicking on the special link in the description below. As per usual, we're going to hook you guys up and give you 300,000 coins and 50 slot spins to get you started on your first village. So good luck, I'll see you guys there, and thank you so much Coinmaster for sponsoring today's video. Well guys, the inevitable has happened once again. Oh, it's quite crowded here in the trunk here. But anyways, back in the UK, we got a lot to do. We got a lot to discuss. We're gonna hit it right off the bat here. We're gonna hit the ground run because we don't like to clickbait. We are running around 23,500 miles, but, well guys, it was bound to happen again. Another check engine light, hopefully nothing too serious. Whoa, 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 easy there. Anyways, like I said, both my cars are broken. We'll be talking about the S600 relatively soon. I just filled this up earlier. We're at 92% gas, but dude, guys, check this out. We got the whole sheet gang here, and of course, the cat gang, Nicholson gang. All right, let's get out of here and roll out. We're back in beautiful Hollywood Boulevard, the world's worst tourist trap here. Don't ever come here, please. It's not worth your time, your money, your blood, sweat, and tears. So, anyways, that being said, what do you guys think this check engine light is for this time? Unfortunately, I don't have Anthony's garage, OBD reader. He's in Vegas. He's being a little bit busy right now, but dude, what do you guys think? Is it a annual service? Is it the battery? Is it an electrical system? Is it gonna be the catalytic converter again? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think the particular problem is gonna be. All right, we got the brand new Discovery Sport for the rental car here. Dude, guys, we're in business. Check this out. In black. Of course, we're at the one and only Hornberg Service Center for the Land Rovers and Jags. Always ask for Marwin or my service advisor, Richard, but there it is, the V6. Ladies and gentlemen, the world's only V6 F-Type SVR. Yet again, here we are. And oh my goodness, this building is actually making some progress here in Hollywood. They're building a lot of brand new apartment buildings and condos and whatnot. I don't know. I feel like there's not enough demand for it, but I don't know. What do I know? I'm not a real estate mogul or anything. Anyways, we're gonna hop in over here. Boom. See what we got. Oh, hello. Oi, we got a quarter tank. First things first, we're gonna put this car through its paces, and we got a beautiful yellow GT2 RS and a British Racing Green GT2 RS with gold wheels. I think I saw the green one at Sunset GT, if I am correct, but it is neither here nor there. We're headed to Beverly Hills, and boom, get a closer look. That is pretty goddamn nice. Hold on, I'm gonna try and pull up next to this thing here. Unless he gets in the right lane. Let's see. That is amazing. Dude, respect. Hilarious.
There's plates on it.
Yeah, it's got a license plate.
With tags.
With tags. No helmet, no protective gear, nothing. Out in the open. Oh. He's struggling up that hill. Top spot here in Los Angeles. It is a bit dead here in the 90210, but dude, this guy's texting and driving in his one-off. Like, what even is it? Like, I don't even know what it is. Is it like a golf car? Is it gas powered? Is it electric? I don't know. Guys, we're currently here at the Beverly Hills Hotel. We're living that hashtag influencer life. Getting that pose for the Instagram. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's just too much. Here we go, baby. Rodeo Drive, living that hashtag influencer life. Yeah. Anyways, so there's an issue that I've been having with the Discovery Sport. Oh, god damn, I missed the light. But dude, check this out. So I keep thinking the window controls are down here, but it's the unlock and lock button right here. They're actually all the way up here where you lay your hands on. And there's a couple instances where I keep reaching down here thinking it's the window to talk to somebody or to film something, and alas, it's up here. Yeah, it's the small things, guys. It's the small things in life that matter, and this is one of them. The wheels on the Vanquish. Oh no, wait, you can sort of see it, wait. Yes. I think he's got a matching axle with yellow wheels and calipers and bits and bobs on his grill as well. Night has descended upon us. We're currently here in the 90210, and lo and behold, there is a Pagani Huayra Roadster that none of us have ever seen with Newport Pagani plates on this flatbed in front of us. So nothing else. Oh, look at that wing. Oh my goodness, that is, oh. It's not very nice, is it? Excuse me. Carbon fiber body with orange stripes. And that's that. All right. Guys, we found quite the spot right around the corner. Bear with me, stay tuned. A day and age of endless Huracans 488s. Oh, speak of the devil. Nice color though. Aston Martin Vantages, AMG GTs of every imaginable variant, Maseratis, Ferrari Californias, all sorts of nonsense. Sometimes it's just good to harken back to the OG days with this beautiful Verde Ithaca Gallardo. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now that is a top-notch spot. Hold on, let's go over here. Right over here. Already got Max Showstack getting the shot. Look at that, boom. That's pretty sick. So minus the front plate placement on this Gallardo, it looks Verde Ithaca, but to me it's almost like Verde Scando. But check out the interior. It matches the exterior of the paint. Wow. Now that is a hell of a spot, ladies and gentlemen. This is some OG shit right here. All you OG car spotters will appreciate this. There it is. Is it Verde Scando or Verde Ithaca? I can't tell. Hopefully it's not a wrap though. Guys, I think we messed up. We don't think it's Verde Ithaca. It might be Verde Scando. You guys let me know in the comments below. I think it's Verde Scando.
Yeah, that's Scando. I can't tell.
I don't know.
How long's this light?
We got a little bit. Whoa, you're hopping out, Max?
I gotta look at the interior.
Whoa! All right, there you go. What the? Now that is a dedicated leap. Luckily for him, he has the pedestrian light here, so we have around 20 seconds or so, and he's back. What do we got?
Look at the photos of the other one.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, we were about to do a full loop up Sunset Boulevard. Unfortunately, there is a Mondo Accidente here. Let's take a look.
Oh yeah, there is right here.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Wait, look. Holy shit. Oh. I wonder if those two accidents are connected. Whew. Guys, it's been quite the day, quite the journey. We returned one car down, the SVR. It's to be expected. It is neither here or there. I'm not mad or angry or anything. I'm kind of used to it. The Prius is okay. The Discovery Sport, brand new car, loaner car. It is what it is. But unfortunately, we've got some pretty bad news in regards to the Mercedes S600. For those who are not in the know, I bought a Mercedes S600 4-door V12 6.3 liter. It's a 94 model, so it's over 25 years old. We can import that legally. Smog wise and all that nonsense, we'll figure it out as we go along. But that being said, if you know what I'm doing to this car, you know. Go figure it out. Just look at the engine displacement, see what other supercar or hypercar shares the same engine block. So that's a pretty big hint for you guys. But Mr. Sasaki was driving the car to get it road registered, and unfortunately there were a few issues that he had to work out. Hold on, let me get my phone here. I have a whole list of things that that needed to be sorted out. Fuel tank, the fuel sensor, the fuel filter, and probably the hose and fuel pump that needs to be changed depending on how bad the situation is. He's going to a Mercedes specialist to get that all sorted out. That's going to cost around another 200,000 yen. Mr. Sasaki then recommended to fix the fuel tank issue because it could rust quite badly, and it probably causes the same issues if we don't replace it. So he's going to try to find a cheaper one. Get this though, the brand new part from Mercedes costs a whopping 600,000 yen. But luckily for us, Mr. Sasaki knows what's up. He's looking around, he's scrounging for used parts, and the used part will be around 150,000 yen. So all the things that I mentioned should be get fixed for around 350,000 yen. Let's do a quick conversion right over here. There you guys have it, $3,200. I'm 2 for 2, man. The SVR is down, the S600 is down. What's next? Hopefully not the Prius. That's got 200,000 plus miles. But that being said, it is a 25-year-old car. It's only got like 40-something thousand miles, so it hasn't been driven that excessively. But like I mentioned in my first video when I unveiled this car, it did reside in Hokkaido. And that being said, Hokkaido does snow quite a bit during the winter, so they do salt the roads and hence the rust. So, but man, I don't really know what to tell you. But dude, all I can say is look at the interior though. That cloth interior, it's a thing of goddamn beauty, ladies and gentlemen. So you better appreciate it. Much better than leather. But a little hiccup here. Don't worry, we're gonna be right on track for I think next month for the car to be completely finished and registered in Japan. So that being said, guys, my goodness, it's been quite the day, and whew, that 118 model, baby. I gotta stop buying them, my goodness.